Myself, Ambrish Tiwari, and we first time participated in the HIPLEX exhibition, and we are manufacturing all type of rubber rings and machine spare parts. We are making SWR pipes and fittings rings, and then CPVC union tank connector rings, column pipes ring, casing pipe ring, and all type of rubber pad machines, gaskets, rubber gaskets, and punch cavity and sizer also. So we are very happy to participated in HIPLEX, and we are getting very good response from the exhibition. So many customers, old customers also coming and new customers also coming in the exhibition on our stall. So we display all our product in the stall, so they can easily understand creative plast, what product making, and what is the quality of creative plast. So thank you very much.